In order to pair your Bluetooth device to your iPhone, you will have to go into the Settings app and then click on Bluetooth. Now, you want to go on your Bluetooth device and actually make sure that it is indeed in pairing mode. And as soon as it's in pairing mode, it should show up. So just click on the device. In this case, for me, it's the Anchor Sound Core. In order to enable speaker always on for phone calls, you will need to make sure you have iOS 14 or higher. Then go into Settings, click on Accessibility, scroll down to Touch, scroll all the way down until you see Call Audio Routing. And from here, all you need to do is click on Speaker, and it will be on speaker by default when you're on a phone call or FaceTime. Name Drop is a feature that came with iOS 17 to let you share your contact information with other people, but it can be disabled. In order to disable it, go to Settings, go to General, go to AirDrop, and then unclick Bringing Devices Together, and that will disable it.